Okay, look, everyone, BOGO hai.
It is a very exciting time because 15 साल से डेफेस्ट हो रहा है। सिर्फ ये दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि आप कितनी बड़ी एक ग्लोबल मूवमेंट का पार्ट हैं। सो ग्लोबली ऑलमोस्ट 700 कॉन्फ्रेंसेज हो रही हैं डेफेस्ट की। 100 कंट्रीज विल बी इन्वॉल्व। पाकिस्तान इज वन ऑफ देम। तो ये एक बहुत ही यूनिक अपॉर्चुनिटी है टू लर्न। यू नो, यू हैव टू सी हाउ यू कैन स्टैंड आउट।
It is my proud privilege to be around here and sponsoring this great event, which is held here at Garzan University, and we are really proud for GoGo. We have been working with it previously also, and then now with the DevFest, we are progressing very well.
We were fortunately blessed, and now we are in exclusive partnership with Visa US to become the first enabler in Pakistan, and we will be providing discounts linked to financials and just Visa debit card to Visa credit card and QR. So you see that at the future, we have already built our platform, our merchant network. Inshallah, by end of 2026, we'll have over 3,000 versions. Drizzy by Compte, Jate Apti, discounts and payments away.
BOGO is a mobile application through which you can avail discounts from big brands like eateries and apparels. We have launched this application before 2 years, and now we have onboarded almost 950 brands. So you can avail discounts. Please download this application and get discounts. Thank you very much.
और ये एक ऐसी ऐप है जो आने वाले वक्त के लिए बहुत नीड है। लाइफ स्कैन ऐप, इसकी बेसिक डिस्काउंट भी अवेल कर सकते हैं और एंजॉय कर सकते हैं मोबाइल ऐप। तो गूगल लिफ्ट को आप सब्सक्राइब करें, डाउनलोड करें। थैंक यू।
हमारा माइंडसेट चेंज करना है। What somebody else is doing, if the government is doing it or not doing it, the government will be forced to do it once you take a step, once you lead the way, once you decide on what directions you take. I advise freelancers community so important because the freelancers clubbed together, initiated and brought in that money into Pakistan, जहाँ freelancers की economy की आज एक value करनी। But let's do it. Let's live in Pakistan. Let's create a value for Google sitting in Pakistan. And let's bring Google's investment in Pakistan to make this happen. And मेरी request थी साथ से मैंने कहा कि साथ let's sit down, create a paper, have people like Brother Pushnur be part of this, BOGO will be part of this, I will be part of this, my other entities will be part of this. Let's create a paper, let's create a reason जहाँ हम ये define कर सकें कि किस reason से Google पाकिस्तान में investment लाएगा, किस रीजन से कोई हम पर पैसे लगाएगा, हम पर से एज इन ऑल ऑफ यू इंडिविजुअली सिटिंग आउट देयर। एंड $1 million मार्केट इज नॉट अ चैलेंज इन पाकिस्तान। यू बिकमिंग अ मिलियनेयर should be your ultimate goal. Making money should be your ultimate goal. But doing it where you have been educated, where your roots are, is the most important. Thank you so much. Thank you for you.
Would like to tell you about BOGOLIV. It's recently launched fintech application which has launched many discounts nationwide, and we would love and ask you guys to support us and download it more and more. Thank you very much.